Apartment lights low, TV muted. Half my nights still feel confusing. Your side of the bed stays cold, even after all these months alone. Cars outside move through the rain, everybody rushing somewhere again. But I'm frozen inside this room, trying not to think about you. I said I'll move on, but nights like this prove me wrong. I said I'll move on, but I keep coming undone. Rain hitting the window while I think of you. Every drop sounds like the truth, and no matter what I try to do, these midnight thoughts come back to you. Rain hitting the window while I lose sleep too. Every flash of lightning cuts me through, and the silence gets louder in the dark when there's nobody left to guard my heart. Old hoodie hanging by the chair, still smells like you somehow in here. Crazy what the brain holds on to, even when love says not to. I almost texted you again, then deleted everything I said. Some nights weakness feels too real, some wounds never fully healed. Said I move on, but nights like this prove me wrong. I said I'll move on, but I keep coming undone. Rain hitting the window while I think of you. Every drop sounds like the truth, and no matter what I try to do, these midnight thoughts come back to you. Rain hitting the window while I lose sleep too. Every flash of lightning cuts me through, and the silence gets louder in the dark when there's nobody left to guard my heart. Midnight makes memories louder, the rain knows too much. I miss you more when the world gets quiet, and the quiet feels like touch. Someday I'll be fine, maybe someday I stop rewinding. But tonight the storm feels endless, and your ghost still feels electric. Rain outside, no sleep tonight, still you're somewhere.